Welcome to Amazing Store Review channel. Today we will review the Dell PowerEdge R630 server review. Let's start reviewing without wasting any more time. The Dell PowerEdge R630 server stands tall as a formidable force in the realm of data center solutions, offering unparalleled performance, reliability, and efficiency. Designed to meet the demands of modern businesses, this server delivers a powerhouse performance that empowers organizations to tackle even the most complex workloads with ease. At the heart of the Dell PowerEdge R630 lies a robust architecture engineered for maximum performance. Equipped with the latest Intel Xeon processors and scalable memory options, this server ensures lightning-fast processing speeds and seamless multitasking capabilities, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, from virtualization and database management to high-performance computing tasks. Every time. Reliability is paramount in any server environment, and the Dell PowerEdge R630 excels in this regard. Built with enterprise-grade components and rigorous quality testing, this server offers unmatched reliability and uptime, ensuring that critical workloads remain uninterrupted and data integrity is maintained at all times. With features like hot swappable drives and redundant power supplies, the R630 provides peace of mind to IT professionals tasked with managing mission-critical systems. Efficiency is another key strength of the Dell PowerEdge R630 server. Its space-saving design and energy-efficient components make it a cost-effective solution for data center environments. By optimizing power consumption and cooling requirements, this server helps organizations reduce their carbon footprint while lowering operational costs over the long term. The versatility of the Dell PowerEdge R630 extends beyond its impressive performance and reliability. With a range of configuration options and expansion capabilities, including support for NVMe SSDs and GPU acceleration, this server can be tailored to meet the unique needs of any business, whether it's powering a small business IT infrastructure or serving as the backbone of a large-scale enterprise deployment. In conclusion, the Dell PowerEdge R630 server sets a new standard for performance, reliability, and efficiency in the data center industry. With its powerful hardware, rock-solid reliability, and energy-efficient design, this server is poised to become the cornerstone of modern IT infrastructures, enabling organizations to unlock new levels of productivity and innovation. For more information, please check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to www.youtube.com/@AmazingStore 3823 channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos.